Hi, in this video, we will quickly overview Intex Pure Spa 4-Person Hot Tub and Qualco 3-Month Spa Maintenance Kit. This Intex Pure Spa portable hot tub provides simple maintenance with 2 easy-to-replace filter cartridges for clean, refreshing spa water, and the built-in hard water treatment system makes water gentler on skin for a soothing experience. This package also includes the Qualco QLC-14890 At Home 3-Month Spa Hot Tub Kit. This handy kit is ideal for use with portable home spas or hot tubs and is comprised of formulas that work in conjunction with each other. Product benefits: pamper yourself in relaxing heated water surrounded by soothing bubble jets. The Pure Spa provides relaxation at the touch of a button for up to 4 people. The easy-to-use control panel activates the 120 high-powered bubble jets surrounding the interior of the spa for a refreshing massage. For instructions on the assembly and use of the pool, see the manual. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.